Okay, forget the Strip. Today I'm staying in what might be the most underrated resort in all of Las Vegas, the M Resort. Let's check it out. In the new tower, right? Haven't been in there yet. All right, right behind me is the M Resort's brand new hotel, and I'll be taking you in. I wonder if the rooms are as good as the first tower, because the first tower rooms are pretty good. For the longest time, this hotel only featured one tower, but this brand new tower right here, we'll see if it could outshine. But the rooms are smaller. The location of this new tower, if you're entering from the front of the other tower of the M Resort, you're gonna head all the way down to the Sportsbook. And when you get to the Sportsbook, you'll find the entrance to this tower behind me. And you could also enter right here. So let's go in. The new key. Oh, pretty big bathroom. 2 queen beds or 1 king bed. Comes with 1 chair. What is this? The bathroom comes with 1 fancy sink, a toilet. Oh, know what the toilet looks like. And it comes with a shower and sit down. All the soaps are going to be the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.